In 2026, military handguns have evolved beyond simple backup weapons into sophisticated combat tools featuring cutting-edge technology, enhanced ergonomics, and devastating stopping power. Today, we're counting down the 10 most lethal, reliable, and advanced infantry handguns currently serving armed forces worldwide. Let's dive in. 10. Sig Sauer P320 F. The Czech Republic has long been synonymous with firearms excellence, and the Sig Sauer P320 continues this proud tradition. Adopted by several European military units, this striker-fired polymer-framed pistol represents the perfect balance between tradition and innovation. Chambered in 9x 19mm parabellum, the P320 features a 19-round magazine capacity, giving soldiers sustained firepower in critical situations. The pistol's fiber-reinforced polymer frame keeps weight down to just 780 grams when loaded, making it ideal for extended carry during long missions. What sets the P320 apart is its exceptional trigger system. With a clean break at approximately 2 kilograms and minimal reset, it enables rapid follow-up shots with remarkable accuracy. The ambidextrous controls make it suitable for both left and right-handed operators, a crucial consideration in modern diverse military forces. The grip texture provides secure handling even in wet or muddy conditions, while the low-bore axis reduces muzzle flip significantly. NATO forces operating in challenging environments have praised its reliability, with the P320 functioning flawlessly in temperatures ranging from -30 to +50 degrees Celsius. 9. Sig Sauer P320 M18. The M18 represents the compact variant of the pistol that won the US military's modular handgun system competition, replacing the legendary Beretta M9. This isn't just another handgun, it's a complete weapon system designed for the 21st century battlefield. What makes the 320 M18 revolutionary is its modular design. The serialized fire control unit can be swapped between different grip modules, slides, and barrel lengths, allowing a single pistol to adapt to various mission requirements. A soldier could configure it as a compact carry pistol for vehicle operations or extend it to a full-size combat pistol for checkpoint duty. Chambered in 9mm with a 21-round extended magazine option, the M18 provides substantial firepower. The coyote tan finish isn't just for aesthetics. It reduces glare and blends with desert environments where many contemporary operations occur. The pistol features an optics-ready slide, allowing mounting of red dot sights without modification. This capability transforms accuracy potential, especially in low-light conditions. The trigger is crisp with a short reset, enabling trained shooters to achieve impressive split times between shots. US Army, Air Force, Navy, and Marine Corps Special Operations units have embraced the M18, testament to its combat effectiveness. Its performance in Afghanistan and Middle Eastern theaters has been exceptional, with soldiers reporting increased confidence and engagement accuracy compared to previous service pistols. 8. HK USP Tactical Heckler & Koch's USP Tactical has been the gold standard for special operations forces for over 2 decades. And in 2026, it remains as relevant as ever. This pistol embodies German engineering philosophy, overbuilt, utterly reliable, and designed to function in the harshest conditions imaginable. Available in 9mm 10.45 ACP, the USP Tactical features a match-grade threaded barrel designed for suppressor use. This makes it ideal for clandestine operations where stealth is paramount. The adjustable target sights can co-witness with mounted optics, providing backup iron sights if electronic systems fail. The recoil reduction system, featuring a proprietary buffer mechanism, significantly reduces felt recoil and muzzle rise. This allows for faster target reacquisition and more accurate rapid fire. The polymer frame with steel reinforcement points provides durability without excessive weight. One of the USP Tactical's most impressive features is its versatility. It can be configured with 9 different trigger configurations, from traditional double action, single action, to double action only, and various safety configurations. This adaptability allows military units to choose the system that best matches their training and doctrine. Navy SEALs and other elite units continue deploying the USP Tactical because it simply works. Whether submerged in salt water, caked in desert sand, or frozen in Arctic conditions, this pistol fires reliably. Its 12-round magazine capacity might seem modest compared to newer designs, but its legendary reliability more than compensates. 7. Glock 19 Gen 5 MOS. No list of military handguns would be complete without the Glock 19. This pistol has achieved near mythical status among military and law enforcement users worldwide. The Gen 5 MOS, Modular Optic System, variant represents the evolution of a design that revolutionized the handgun industry 4 decades ago. The Glock 19 strikes the perfect balance between compact carry and full-size firepower. Its 15-round magazine capacity provides adequate ammunition while maintaining a grip size suitable for various hand sizes. The pistol's simplicity is its genius. Just 34 parts total, meaning fewer components to break or malfunction. The Gen 5 improvements include an ambidextrous slide stop, flared magwell for faster reloads, an improved trigger with a smoother pull. The MOS system allows direct mounting of popular red dot sights, enhancing accuracy without requiring expensive custom machining. What makes the Glock 19 dominant in military service is its absolute reliability. It functions reliably after being buried in mud, submerged in water, or dropped from helicopters. The safe action trigger system provides consistent trigger pull and prevents accidental discharge while maintaining fast deployment capability. Over 60 countries have adopted Glock pistols for military service, with the Glock 19 being the most popular choice. British SAS, Israeli Special Forces, and countless other elite units trust their lives to this Austrian polymer pistol. Its aftermarket support is unmatched, allowing military armorers to customize and maintain these pistols easily. 6. Beretta APX Combat. Italy's Beretta has produced military firearms for over 500 years, and the APX Combat represents their latest evolution in combat pistol design. While the 922FS served the US military for decades, the APX is built specifically for modern warfare requirements. The APX Combat features a modular design with easily interchangeable grip frames, allowing customization for different hand sizes and mission requirements. The serialized chassis system means the regulated component is the internal frame, not the polymer shell, simplifying customization and upgrades. Chambered in 9mm with an 18-round capacity, the APX Combat provides substantial firepower. The slide is designed with aggressive serrations front and rear, enabling positive manipulation even with wet or gloved hands. The optics-ready slide accommodates virtually any red dot sight on the market. The trigger is exceptional for a striker-fired pistol with a crisp break and short positive reset. The grip texture is aggressive without being abrasive, providing secure handling during rapid fire. The ambidextrous controls make it truly suitable for any operator regardless of shooting preference. Italian Special Forces and several European military units have adopted the APX Combat. In field testing, it has demonstrated exceptional accuracy, with operators regularly achieving 4-inch groups at 25 meters using standard military ammunition. The pistol functions reliably in extreme temperatures and continues operating even when heavily fouled with carbon and debris. 5. FN57. The FN57 is unlike any other pistol on this list. Chambered in the unique 5.7 28mm cartridge, it represents a radical departure from traditional handgun design philosophy. This pistol was designed specifically to defeat body armor while maintaining controllability and high capacity. The 5.7 28mm round travels at approximately 650 meters per second, significantly faster than conventional pistol ammunition. This velocity, combined with specialized projectiles, allows the 5.7 to penetrate soft body armor that would stop standard 9mm rounds. Against unarmored targets, the high velocity creates devastating temporary wound cavities. The pistol's 20-round magazine capacity is impressive, but what's more remarkable is how controllable it remains despite this firepower. The lightweight cartridge produces minimal recoil, allowing rapid, accurate fire even for smaller statured soldiers. The polymer frame keeps loaded weight to approximately 750 grams despite the extended magazine. The delayed blowback operating system is simple and reliable, with few moving parts to malfunction. The single-action trigger is light and crisp, contributing to excellent accuracy potential. Ambidextrous controls and an integrated accessory rail complete the package. US Secret Service, Belgian Special Forces, and various counterterrorism units worldwide have adopted the 5.7. Its ability to defeat body armor makes it particularly valuable in scenarios where adversaries might be equipped with protective equipment. However, the specialized ammunition does present logistical challenges for widespread military adoption. 4. Walther PDP. Walther's performance duty pistol represents German engineering at its finest. While Walther is famous for the PPK made iconic by James Bond, The PDP is a thoroughly modern combat pistol designed for serious users who demand ultimate performance. The PDP features what Walther calls the super terrain slide serrations, aggressive grip texturing that provides incredible purchase without damaging hands during extended training. The grip geometry is based on extensive ergonomic research, resulting in a natural point of aim that feels like an extension of the shooter's hand. Chambered in 9mm with 18-round capacity, the PDP provides excellent firepower, but capacity means nothing without accuracy, and here the PDP truly shines. The trigger is extraordinary, with a crisp break around 2.5 kilograms and an exceptionally short reset. This enables rapid, precise fire that's crucial in combat situations. The optics-ready slide accepts all major red dot sights, and the suppressor height sights co-witness perfectly. The performance duty trigger provides consistent pull characteristics that enhance accuracy under stress. The dynamic performance trigger has minimal take-up and clean break, features usually found only in custom competition pistols. German federal police and several European military special operations units have adopted the PDP. In testing, operators have achieved remarkable accuracy scores, with the pistol demonstrating inherent mechanical accuracy exceeding most shooters' abilities. Its reliability in adverse conditions matches that of pistols costing significantly more. 3. Arsenal Strike 1. Russia's Arsenal Strike 1 represents a radical departure from conventional pistol design. This pistol features an extremely low-bore axis, with the barrel sitting almost in line with the shooter's hand. This unconventional design dramatically reduces muzzle flip and enables astonishingly fast follow-up shots. Chambered in 9mm with 17-round capacity, the Strike 1 uses a unique locking system where the barrel remains fixed relative to the frame during firing. This enhances accuracy by eliminating barrel movement that occurs in traditional Browning-style locking systems. The result is a pistol that shoots almost like a finely tuned competition gun. The trigger is exceptional, with a short, smooth pull and crisp break. The frame-mounted fire control system means trigger characteristics remain consistent regardless of which barrel or slide assembly is installed. The ambidextrous controls and interchangeable grip panels allow customization for individual operators. Russian special forces, including Spetsnaz units, have adopted the Strike 1. In combat testing, operators report the low-bore axis design allows them to maintain target acquisition through entire magazine strings. The pistol's accuracy is remarkable, with mechanical accuracy exceeding 2 inches at 25 meters with quality ammunition. The Strike 1 isn't without drawbacks. Its unconventional design means armorers must receive specialized training for maintenance. Parts availability outside Russia can be challenging. However, for units that can support it logistically, the Strike 1 offers performance advantages that are difficult to match. 2. Glock 17 Gen 5 MOS. The Glock 17 represents the full-size foundation upon which Glock's reputation was built. While the Glock 19 dominates the compact category, the Glock 17 remains the choice for military units prioritizing maximum capacity and controllability over concealment. The 17-round flush-fit magazine provides substantial firepower, with 19 and 33-round extended magazines available for specialized applications. The longer slide and barrel provide increased sight radius and slightly higher velocity compared to compact variants. This translates to enhanced accuracy at extended ranges where military engagements might occur. The Gen 5 improvements include the MOS optics mounting system, ambidextrous slide stop, improved trigger, and flared magwell. The NDLC finish provides enhanced corrosion resistance, crucial for military use in diverse climates. The maritime spring cups prevent water accumulation that could slow slide velocity when firing underwater or immediately after water immersion. What makes the Glock 17 exceptional for military use is its proven reliability across every environment on Earth. It functions reliably from Arctic temperatures exceeding -40 degrees to desert heat approaching 70 degrees Celsius. It operates normally after being submerged, frozen in ice blocks, or dragged through mud. Austrian Army, Norwegian military, Swedish armed forces, and countless others trust the Glock 17 as their standard service pistol. Its simple design means conscripts can be trained quickly, while its reliability ensures it will function when needed most. The extensive holster and accessory market means military procurement offices can easily source support equipment. 1. Sig Sauer P320 MK25. The Sig Sauer P320 MK25 claims the top position as the world's best infantry handgun in 2026. This pistol serves as the standard sidearm for the US Navy SEALs, and that endorsement speaks volumes about its capabilities in the most demanding combat environments imaginable. The MK25 designation signifies this pistol meets stringent Navy requirements, including functioning after saltwater immersion. The anchor engraved on the slide isn't just decoration, it certifies this pistol past the Navy's rigorous testing protocol. The phosphate-coated internal components resist corrosion in maritime environments where other pistols would deteriorate rapidly. Chambered in 9mm with 15-round capacity, the P226 uses a traditional double-action, single-action trigger system. This provides a heavy first shot followed by lighter single-action shots for subsequent rounds. The decocker allows safe lowering of the hammer on a chambered round, crucial for military carry protocols. The all-metal construction provides durability and helps manage recoil. The pistol weighs approximately 960 grams loaded, but this weight contributes to stability during rapid fire. The ergonomics are sublime, with the grip angle and contours feeling natural for nearly every shooter. The control placement is intuitive, allowing manipulation without adjusting grip. What elevates the P226 MK25 to the top position is its legendary reliability combined with exceptional accuracy. These 10 handguns represent the cutting edge of military sidearm technology in 2026. From traditional designs like the P220X to revolutionary concepts like the 5.7, each brings unique capabilities to the modern battlefield. While technology and features vary, they all share one crucial characteristic: absolute reliability when lives depend on them. The infantry handgun remains a soldier's last line of defense, and these weapons ensure that when everything else fails, they won't. Which would you trust in combat?